fix that little gouge that's in the plastic right here. First things first, melt it down and smooth it out. You don't want to go too big, you want to kind of keep it as small as you possibly can. The least we actually have to sand on here, the better, right? Anytime we do any sanding, we have to relieve scratches and get it down to a point where we can actually fix problems. So now the area that I welded, it dipped down just a little bit on me because I didn't do it properly. I didn't support the back side of my weld. So now I just push up from the back side to raise my level, give myself a even playing surface. Just a little bit more. What I have here is some gray Scotch-Brite. This is just gonna scuff up the surface a little bit, allow the paint we're gonna fog on here to stick properly. I'm not gonna go too far out with this because I'm gonna blend out. We're not gonna paint the whole thing. Remember, we don't want to put coating material, even though we're not coating it, we don't want to put material, if not necessary, over raw plastic. It's just taking an unnecessary risk that we don't need to. That's all. So now this step here is actually really important. This is a 1000 grit sandpaper that I have. And I'm gonna go over the area where I sanded with 320 and I'm gonna wet sand it. We'll wet sand it down to 1000. What that's gonna do is it's gonna give me a flatter, smoother surface to spray my material over. Now take my torch. I'm going to dry it off real quick. Right. Okay. You see all those areas that we just scuffed? Just hitting it with the torch real quick takes care of all that. All right. So even if you scuff too much too far over, we can always torch it a little bit and get rid of that. And now this is the next step, is the one you want. But you have to tune in to the next video to see it.